Magnum 44 Twin Cat by Oxidean Marine. One mean, lean speed run machine.
Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming
Back in, full badassery. Ball bearing outdrives. Much different than the animal. Built to scale, push-pull, cable steering. So rad. CNC aluminum rudder. Precise steering. Now here's something you don't see Bill Oxidean do very often. Hatch locks. The beauty of these hatch locks is they can be removed. 2 water outlets, both on the sides, on each side. Oh yeah. Let's see what's going on inside here. Huge 300 amp ESCs. Bolt-on